Right, another video on e-bike. So what I'm showing you here, turn it on, and as I rev up, it makes a rattling noise. Currently, it is something to do with either the gears inside or the bearing, and I'm gonna open the motor hub and see what's going on. Okay, they both end loose. Right, I took off the wheel, and now what I'm about to do, just gonna remove the cassette. For this one you need the cassette tools, because to open the hub sometimes the cassette is small and you can access the screws from the side, but this one covers top of the screws, so I need to take it off. For taking it off, you need a cassette tool, place it on top, and you give a little bit of spin, baby. It takes a little bit of force. What I'm gonna do now, just lay it this way, and yes, we got it loose. Yeah. It loose now. What else I did? There was a socket here. I removed the pins from the socket so I can place in my tools into the wire. And this is the cassette, as you can see. Alright, now what I need to do, just remove these 4 screws, 6 screws, and I can open the hub. And this is the hub. Okay, and the problem with the rattling noise, or that chattering noise, whatever, it was from the broken tooth of the gears. So if I look at the inside, you can see the plastic pieces is everywhere. So the tooth, basically, it's ripped off. And even if you look at the inside, some of the pieces is inside the hub as well. So this is making noise, and I think it's better to replace the motor rather than changing the gears, because I don't think so I can find the spare part for this motor. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.